Hey guys, have another demo here. This demo is going to be covering the asset window, and this is going to be a follow-up from my previous demo with the manifest file. I spent some time developing the asset window, and this is picking up where I left off previously. I'm just going to open up the asset window. And I previously wanted to design a window that was similar to Windows Explorer, where you had the trees and plus or minuses for folders, but that ended up being a little bit more difficult than I thought, and I've pushed that off for a later time in a different version. But for right now, I'm using a list box, and there's actually a built-in native Windows 32 function for populating a folder. And I made a function for being able to drag files or folders onto this window, and it will recursively fill the information in. In another file, I have an assets folder. This has a majority of the assets that the engine is using right now, such as our meshes, GUI elements, shaders, sounds. And I'm going to go ahead and drag this entire folder over to our assets. And now that's appeared. You can see that it's been copied over. It didn't remove it from here. I can navigate through the folder inside of assets, such as I have my arrowhead.x, and then I have my diffuse map for it, .jpeg. And that's how the asset window works. Whenever it's fully implemented, you'll be able to double click on a .x file, and it will add it to the solution folder of wherever the virtual target is. I was going to implement dragging, but that proved to be a little bit more out of scope than I had anticipated. That'll be held off until another version. But that's asset windows. So thanks for sticking around. I'll see you around.